Hello and welcome. So today we will start solving practical components of Python programming whose subject code is 1BPLC105B. So the first question is develop a Python program to read two numbers from the keyboard and perform basic arithmetic operations. Basic arithmetic operations in the sense addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We just have to give one display so that user can choose from those menus, and we have to ask the two numbers from the user. That is, we can give any variable name a, b, anything. So we'll see directly. We'll just move on to the problem solution. So we just have to open a new file. Directly we'll start with the solution. We have to take two numbers from the user, and you have to remember to include the integer type conversion function so that we can perform arithmetic operations. Enter the first number, then the same thing. We'll just copy the same thing and paste it. We'll change it here. It should be b. Enter the second number, and then we have to give one display or the menu so that he can choose from those. Choose an option from the option given: 1 to add, 2 to subtract, 3 to multiply, 4 to divide. Then we just have to take another input from the user to enter the choice. So he will enter the choice from the above given menu. It should also be in the integer. The input which we are taking, that should be converted to integer so that we can have those values and we can perform operations based on that value. Enter the choice. So basically, if we take the input without having the integer type conversion, that input will be in the string format. We have to take it in integer. We have to convert it in integer, and then we just have to use else if and if. So here we have more than two options. So that's why we have to use nested if. First, if choice equals to 1, then we have to add those two numbers, a plus b, that is addition. Else if elif choice equals to 2. Why do we use elif? If we have multiple condition, then we are using elif. If the choice is 2, then we are subtracting those two values. Elif choice equals to 3, we have to multiply. Then at last it should be elif choice equals to 4, print. We have to divide those two values as per the given menu. Then we have to handle one case, that is if the user gives the input which is not in the range or which is out of the range, or if he gives the input which is not a number, we have to handle that case. Download 1a.pys. Just run this. So enter the first number, for example 25, enter the second number, and again 26. What to do? We just have to give one, that is we have to, if we want to add it, you have to give and the number will be added. If you want to perform those operations, you can perform those operations. You just have to check, you just have to type and check the solution. For the second B, I'll upload another video.